is tragedy across a part of America tonight. The terrible tornado disaster in the southern United States, the rising death toll, the towns flattened, the neighborhoods left in ruins. It is a fierce freak weather assault. 165 tornadoes in 24 hours, one of the tornadoes traveling 100 miles, and so much death. More than 190 in Alabama alone, and meteorologists say they have not seen this kind of destruction in 40 years.
I grew up in Tuscaloosa, Alabama. We had a F5 came through there on the 27th of April, killed 43 people. They found another one that passed away last night.
They kept saying it was going right towards campus, and then all of a sudden power went out. We lost the feed. Windows were kind of bowing in like they were going to shatter on us.
First it was like real silent, like you didn't hear anything. And no sooner than we all got in the bathroom, like everything just got torn apart and the roof came off.
I just know if that was me going through it, I wouldn't know what to think. I wouldn't know how to react. Tornadoes or something else. I wouldn't know what to do.
It hit a lot of places from Tuscaloosa to Birmingham to Anniston, and it was very frightening.
Some families just aren't going back to their old neighborhood because there's nothing left.
You know what I'm saying? Tweeting away. Well, I think, a lot of the families are hurt, They lost their houses, Some people lost their family, some people lost friends. Some people lost everything that they worked for their whole life. Most people be in houses for a long time, and it's a lot of memories, in a home. And when you lose that because of a storm, it's just something that happens, it's a part of life. And you gotta try to move forward, but it's tough when you lose everything that you have. This is more important to me than any basketball game. It's just changing people's lives. Basketball's lifespan is not as long as a human's lifespan. I try to touch as many people as I can just by being there. I don't think money or anything like that would just make these people happy. I think just going out there and spending time with them, letting them know that they're not forgotten about. That there's people who really care about their well-being. Today we are building some homes, for a lot of the people who lost their homes in the storm. I've invited a lot of my Twitter family to join me, and I want more people to join in. And I'm happy that I have friends and family who are going to be there to support me. We just landed in Alabama and it is smoking hot. Woo! Trying to get to work.
We just arrived in Birmingham, Alabama. We're about to get on to a bus and head to a rebuilding site of about 10 homes that were affected by tornadoes on April 27th.
I'm 66.
You're 66? Hey. I want to make 66, man. What's your name? Stand over there bad, man. Turn around, take a picture. Turn around, man.
Hey man, when he comes to Tuscaloosa, it's going to be awesome. I mean, anything anybody can do to help this community right now, or even our nation, because you know Massachusetts got hit last night, Missouri got hit a few weeks ago, and Arkansas got hit. You know, we're hurting nationwide. Anybody can do anything to help these people, man. It would be awesome.
A lot of debris. They're trying to clean the debris, put it to the street, get the houses back right. So it's time to get to work.
There's gloves over here.
Thank you for being here to volunteer with Habitat. You can see from looking around here, we got a lot to do. We got a lot of folks that are giving their time today and every day out here. So we just welcome you to Birmingham. Thank you for being here and raising attention to this and helping us out.
Thank you.
Oh, I think we're here.
Over here.
We're at the site here in Birmingham. We just finished pulling down some scaffolding in one of the homes. Now we're clearing out some debris of a home that was completely destroyed, and they had to start over with a new foundation and rebuilding the house.